Hi, I'm standing in front of the China Alley mural, and this mural, as you can see, has a lot of Chinese influence in it. And also, we're in front of the China Alley, and this alley had a community that was filled with Chinese immigrants and their own families. Many of these Chinese immigrants were merchants, laborers, gardeners, artisans, fishermen, and many, as I mentioned, came with their families. This community included a water flume above the aqueduct in San Buenaventura, and during the 20th century the population began to go down because of new things coming in and new buildings being constructed. So a lot of people ended up having to move out of this alley and out of this area in general. And also during that time there was a lot of racism, and a lot of when there would be fires, firemen wouldn't come here. Like, they would refuse service to these Chinese immigrants because of pure racism and hatred. So because of that, the community here ended up building their own fire department. This mural was painted by Chicana, and across from me there is a plaque that briefly goes into the history of the Chinese community that was once here. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and feel free to like and subscribe. And again, thank you so much.